Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the final challenge prompt for this month, that word being sizzling. It's a summery day out there, so let's get into this and make some sunburning sizzling art. So coming into this piece, I was really struggling at first on what I wanted to draw, but then I thought about what I do every single time I'm out to eat and the waiter says, "Don't touch the plate, it's really hot." And my brain always just goes, "Don't touch it, don't touch it, don't touch it," and then I touch it. I do it, I just have to. I do it every single time. I don't know why I'm like this, but I just really have to know if the plate is hot, and if it is hot, how hot it actually is. Well, but anyways, with my stupidity aside, I'm going to let you guys enjoy this last bit, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it. Our completed piece using the word sizzling. I think this turned out pretty funny, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure. They're gonna be right on the bottom corner there for you. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to tackle these challenges myself. And if you like my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!